Again, let's welcome our birthday celebrant, Father Herbie Cañete.
Parang alam ko sa fresh na fresh flowers.
Wait ka, Father! Wait!
Parang tinanin.
Wait ka, Father! Wait ka, Father!
And yes, maraming salamat sa palakpakan.
And thank you so much for the choir for presenting and preparing for that wonderful song. Very heartfelt.
Galing ng choir. Ang galing ng choir. Yes, pang Coachella ano lang. Yan. I think, thank you very much, dear birthday. Father, dyan lang po kayo. You will stay there. And other birthday celebrants, I think you can sit down. Tatawagan ko na lang kayo mamaya. Picture mo na, picture mo na.